Guys, so welcome back. My name is Niara if you're new here, and today we're gonna be doing a tutorial with some new Colourpop items. So I have the new I have an eyeshadow palette from their tie-dye collection. This is the In A Trance palette. One thing I will say, I already had one of these. This shade is called Clarity fall out of the pan. She just completely dropped out, so what we gonna do about that? And then I also have two highlights from their collection. So this is Manifest That. She's a really purpley silvery girl. Again, I didn't have any highlights like this, and then they sent me this one by accident. This is okay, no, that's not Manifest That. She's labeled incorrectly. I think this is called Your Trip. So as you guys can see, these shades are very, very light. They're all pastels. I would definitely say whatever you're doing, whatever eye look you're trying to go for, you're gonna need some sort of primer down on your lids. I'm using concealer just to make these shadows stick to my lids, because I feel like they're so powdery that they could just fall off. So you're gonna need something to hold them down. And then you're also just gonna need something for the colors to bounce off of, because if you're just trying to put them on a bare lid, you're gonna get a very, very faint wash of color. And that's not what I wanted. I wanted you to be able to see these shades. So that's just a disclaimer. If you're thinking about getting any of these palettes, just know that you're gonna have to do some work for the colors to show up. Okay, so that is it for this look, you guys. I really like this little eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. They usually always come out with really cute ones. The only disappointment I had was that one, the shade Clarity was not here for it. She fell off the pan before I even got to use her. And then Future Self and Own Your Power, like I ended up covering them with the Daydream Baby shade and Mind's Eye, because they were just coming up super chalky. I couldn't really get the pigment I wanted out of them, but everything else I used turned out fine. And then for the highlights, I ended up doing a mix of the two shades. So I used the pink purpley shade, which I believe is called Manifest That, and then I also used the other shade, mine is mislabeled. I believe this is called Your Trip, which is more silvery. And I think the look came out cute. I tried to get some more rhinestones on here, but it was a struggle and they all kept falling everywhere. So yeah, and then these lips came out really pretty. If you haven't, these are a part of the Marc Jacobs Pride collection, I think. And I used all three of these on my lips with just the brown lip liner, my Jordana Coco Loco lip liner, and this lip came out really pretty. I didn't want something that was super dark because my eyes are super light and pastel-y. So that's it for today, you guys. I hope you all like this look. If you haven't already, make sure you go subscribe. And if you're not, go follow me on Instagram. My name is @Niara Alexis. I post a lot of exclusive content on there weekly. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.